This video is meant for Mrs. Rose's AB Calculus class, and it's on chain rule. As a reminder, the chain rule says that if you're taking the derivative of a composition of functions, you take the derivative of f prime of x, leave g of x alone, and multiply by the derivative of g of x. Okay. For f of x, we're going to take the 4 and bring it down in front, and then we're going to multiply by x squared plus 1 cubed because we're subtracting 1 from our exponent. But that's not the only thing. You have to multiply by the derivative of your inside function. So multiply by 2x. 2x times 4 is going to be 8x times x squared plus 1 cubed. For the second function, it's much easier if you rewrite this so it's y equals and then everything inside of the square root raised to the 1/2 power. So our dy dx is going to be 1/2 because we bring the exponent down in front, everything that's inside the parentheses, and then we're subtracting 1 from the exponent. Then you have to multiply by the derivative of the inside, 6x minus 2. So putting this in the numerator, I'm going to factor out the 2, and then we have the 1/2, so the 2 is in the denominator, and then a negative square root means, a negative 1/2 means we have a square root in the denominator, and then the last step is dividing the two 2's to 1. So the derivative is 3x minus 1 over the square root of 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. For this third function, rewrite the cube root of sine x to the 5th as sine x to the 5/3 power. The derivative, we bring the 5/3 down as a coefficient, sine x stays the same, and we subtract 1 from the exponent. Then we multiply by the derivative of your inside function. The simplified derivative would be 5 times cosine of x times the cube root of sine x squared, or sine squared x, all over 3. For our fourth and last one, you can use the quotient rule. You can do it the long way, but you can also do it with chain rule if you make the denominator raised to the -1 power. So the derivative is going to be 4 times -1, which is -4, the part on the inside, subtract 1 from the exponent, and multiply by the derivative of the inside function. -4 times -1 is going to be +4, 7 minus x to the -2 power, and then we write 4 over 7 minus x squared. If you have any questions about chain rule, please come see me during CAV morning. Good luck on your homework, and see you in class!